Abia mamanu, Abia renu, wanu, idoro. PDP Abia, PDP Abia, Governor Abia, Assembly Abia, Senators Abia, House of Abia. Now listen. We came here today to tell you there's nothing like going back. Where is it? Ibas, where is he? Welcome. Hold on. Do you like Ibazu? Ndaja, who like Ibazu? Will you follow him? Unuge Soya, are you sure? Unuge sure? Okay, anything Ibazu Warunu, how will he look at me? How will he look at me? Listen to him. Ibazu has integrity. Ibazu is a man you can depend on. Ibazu is a man you can go home and sleep with your 2 eyes closed. That is why all of us who are members of integrity, we have come to tell all of you, the gubernatorial candidate, the House of Assembly candidate, the senatorial candidate, the House of Reps candidate, the G-5 will support all of you. So I'm aware, because some people didn't get tickets in one of the senatorial districts, they went and collected form. Let me tell you, today we commissioned a road in Obiungwa local government. And I'm sure that person is from Obiungwa local government. I don't want to tell you what I did. He promised me that he would not leave PDP. And I called the governor. Please. The brother said he's not going to leave PDP. And I said, what do we do? He said he needs some money. We gave him the money today. 3 days time, he left PDP. Do they have integrity? Or with integrity? Can you vote for such a person? Can he represent us? I hope you know him. I hope you know you get a vote. You get a vote. Fail. So, what I want to tell all of you, we stand for equity. We stand for fairness. We stand for justice. And that is why, anywhere we go, when we came here, the band was singing. I know I'm going to talk. Yendeba. Come on, bondole. Come on, come dole, wa bondole, carpenter, birikila, wa bondole. Come on, come dole, wa bondole, carpenter, birikila, wa bondole. So, the final thing, okay, sir, we call you people. at the appropriate time what to do. Do you understand me? You will listen to him back? I guess I am. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can't get so. Money, changing, money, gaga. Okay, sir. Can't get so. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can't get so. Money, changing, money, gaga. Okay, sir. Can't get so. Thank you.
All the challenge. Power to the people.